welcome back to Aurora's Cebuano lesson. Today we are going to be talking about mealtime. If this is your first time watching Aurora's vlog, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your lower right corner. Also, I have a playlist of Cebuano lesson. You can click that on right here, top of the corner. And let's get this video going. I'm hungry now. Gutom nako. Or you can say, gigutom nako. Gigutom nako. Have you eaten yet? Mikaon ka na ba? Mikaon ka na ba? Yes, some time ago. Oo, ganiha lang. Oo, ganiha lang. Are we going to eat now? Mangaon na bata karon? Mangaon na bata karon? Let's eat. Mangaon na ta. Mangaon na ta. Come join us. Dali, mangaon na ta. Dali, mangaon na ta. Or the food is ready. Andam na ang lamisa. Andam na ang pagkaon. Andam na ang lamisa. Or, andam na ang pagkaon. Do you like fish? Gusto ka ba og isda? Gusto ka ba og isda? Do you like to eat fish? Gusto ka ba mo kaon og isda? Kaon means eat. Gusto ka ba mo kaon og isda? Please pass the salad. Palihog kog donol sa salad. We call the salad salad also. When you say please pass the salad, palihog ko og donol sa salad. Everybody understand what is salad? Alright, next. The food is very delicious. Lami kaayo ang pagkaon. When you just want to say the food is good, lami ang pagkaon, you're appreciating but you're not appreciating much. So you have to say the food is very delicious. Lami kaayo ang pagkaon. Kaayo, like when you want to express like more or much or very much, kaayo is the right words for that. Like when you want to say someone, you are so very guapa. Guapa ka kaayo. Kaayo. Guapa. Meaning beautiful. Kaayo. Kaayo, very. Guapa ka kaayo. That's what the kaayo means. Please take some more. Palihog kuha pa. Palihog kuha pa. Or kuha lang, palihog kuha lang. I have good appetite. Ganado ako. Ganado ako. And when you feel like I don't have any appetite, wala ko'y gana. Wala ko'y gana. Pasensya na. Like when you want to say, I'm sorry, I don't have an appetite. Pasensya na. Wala ko'y gana. Pasensya means pasaylo ako or I'm sorry. Pasensya na. Wala ko'y gana mukaon. I don't have an appetite to eat. Kaon means eat. Pasensya na. Wala ko'y gana nga mukaon. When you ask, what do we have for breakfast? What do we have for breakfast? Unsa ang atong pamahaw? Pamahaw means breakfast. Unsa ang atong pamahaw? What do we have for lunch? Unsa ang atong paniudto? Udto is noon. When you say paniudto is like lunch. Unsa ang atong paniudto? What do we have for dinner? Unsa ang atong panihapon? Hapon means evening, but when you say panihapon, meaning it's indicating we're talking about dinner. We're talking about mealtime. Panihapon, paniudto, pamahaw. So pamahaw, breakfast, paniudto, lunch, and panihapon is like dinner. Alright, let's move on to next. We are through eating. Humana na taog kaon. Humana na taog kaon. We are done eating or we are through eating. Humana na taog kaon. That's enough. Thank you. Sakto na. Salamat. Sakto na. Salamat. That's enough. Sakto na. Salamat. That was a good meal. Maayong pagkaon kadto. Maayong pagkaon kadto. Alright, thank you guys. That's it for today. I'm hoping you have enjoyed Aurora's Cebuano lessons. And if you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already. And I will see you on my next video. Ta-ta!